Imagine an RV that doesn't feel like a burden to drive, doesn't demand complicated setup, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary tech. An RV that's compact, quiet, easy to handle, and thoughtfully designed so that even senior travelers can enjoy the open road without stress. No climbing into high bunks, no wrestling with slide-outs, no confusing touchscreens just to turn on a light. What if I told you there's a motorhome out there that checks all these boxes, and more? Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated Class B motorhomes ever built. The Coach House Ariva V24. At first glance, the Ariva doesn't scream RV, its exterior is sleek and uncluttered, more like a luxury passenger van than a traditional motorhome. That's because Coach House deliberately avoids flashy decals or over-the-top cutouts. Instead, it leans into a clean, sophisticated look that blends into upscale neighborhoods or resorts without standing out. For anyone who wants practicality without the RV park aesthetic, this is a big win. The Ariva measures 24.2 feet in length and just 6.5 feet in width, making it far easier to maneuver than most RVs. But don't let its compact size fool you. Underneath this elegant shell lies one of the strongest and most durable constructions in the entire camper van market. Coach House is famous for its patented one-piece fiberglass body. Unlike RVs made from multiple panels joined together, the Ariva's body is molded as a single shell. This design minimizes rattles, reduces the chance of leaks, and creates a much quieter ride. Plus, fiberglass is incredibly durable, meaning you'll spend less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying your journey. At the front, the Ariva proudly carries Mercedes-Benz styling. A bold chrome grille with the iconic three-pointed star sits between sleek headlamps, and the motorhome rides on the reliable Mercedes 3500 Sprinter chassis. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine pushing out about 188 horsepower, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It's not built for racing, but it delivers dependable power and excellent fuel economy for long-distance road trips. Moving along the driver's side, Coach House has thought carefully about practicality. All your essential hookups, like the city water connection, black tank flush valve, and utility controls, are grouped neatly in one accessible compartment. No need to crawl under the van or search for hidden valves. Dumping waste tanks is straightforward, too, thanks to a gravity-fed system that's far more reliable than complicated macerator pumps. There's even an exterior shower for rinsing gear, muddy shoes, or even pets. The Ariva carries a 20-gallon gray water tank, a 13-gallon black water tank, and a generous 12-gallon propane supply. For power, you get a 30-amp shore power hookup, plus a propane-powered 3.6 kilowatt generator. What's impressive is how Coach House designed the generator system. It runs quietly and with minimal vibration, so you can enjoy air conditioning or appliances off-grid without the constant roar many RV owners complain about. The passenger side offers even more convenience. The main sliding entry door is power-assisted, which means no heavy tugging. The step-in height is low, with integrated running boards, making it perfect for seniors or anyone who struggles with higher steps. And when you want fresh air without the bugs, the built-in sliding screen door has you covered. Overhead, a 13-foot power awning extends at the touch of a button, complete with LED lighting. Even better, it has an automatic wind sensor. If gusts pick up, the awning retracts on its own, saving you the trouble of rushing outside. Outdoor living is clearly a focus here. A swing arm-mounted HD television lets you watch movies or the big game outside, while a 110-volt outlet is ready to power a blender, grill, or charging station. There's even a propane quick connect fitting for hooking up an outdoor barbecue without lugging extra tanks. For water, the 31-gallon fresh tank ensures you're well-stocked for days off-grid. At the rear, the Ariva is equipped with a tow hitch capable of handling over 4,000 pounds. That means you can bring along a small car, golf cart, or scooters, perfect for sightseeing without moving the RV every time. Backing up is made easier with a rear camera, and extra storage bins provide space for folding chairs, hoses, or outdoor gear. On the roof, 200-watt solar panels continuously charge the lithium battery system, while a pure sine wave inverter powers your outlets silently. But while the outside is impressive, the inside is where the Ariva truly shines. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a bright, airy interior that feels more like a luxury yacht than a camper van. With 6 feet 2 inches of headroom, even taller travelers can move around comfortably. The front lounge is designed for both comfort and conversation. Twin day beds double as sofas, while the cab seats swivel to face the living space. Add in a removable table, and you've got a cozy dining or work area. What really sets Coach House apart is its decision to keep controls simple. Instead of complicated touchscreens, you'll find intuitive rocker switches and knobs, many borrowed from the marine industry. They're backlit, durable, and easy to use, making them perfect for seniors who prefer straightforward operation without tech headaches. The kitchen, though compact, is impressively equipped. A stainless steel sink with a pull-out sprayer, a 2-burner propane stove, and a convection microwave oven give you the tools to cook real meals. A surprisingly large 6 to 8 cubic foot refrigerator, with both propane and electric modes, ensures you have space for groceries. And with thoughtful additions like a pull-out pantry, flip-up counter extension, and secure latches on every drawer, it's clear this space was designed by people who understand how travelers actually live. Now, let's talk about one of the Ariva's standout features, the bedroom. Instead of tricky fold-outs or cramped bunks, you get 2 twin beds that can either remain separate or slide together to form a king-sized bed. Yes, a true king-sized bed inside a 24-foot van. For seniors, this is a game-changer. The beds sit at a comfortable height, no ladders, no climbing, and with overhead reading lights, USB charging ports, and shelves for books or CPAP machines, everything you need is within easy reach. Entertainment is also built in, with 2 flat-screen TVs, one in the lounge and another positioned for bedtime viewing. But perhaps the most remarkable feature, especially in a van this size, is the rear bathroom. Unlike most camper vans that settle for a wet bath, the Ariva gives you a full dry bath that spans the entire width of the vehicle. On one side, you have a porcelain flush toilet, in the middle, a vanity with stainless steel sink and storage, and on the other side, a dedicated shower stall. The shower is tall enough for most adults to stand comfortably, and the skylight above adds brightness. For seniors, not having to crouch in a cramped wet bath is a major relief. Storage is also abundant, with a wardrobe, linen closet, and drawers for toiletries and towels. Climate control is another area where the Ariva excels. A powerful 15,000 BTU duct air conditioner with a heat pump keeps the interior cool and quiet, while a 19,000 BTU propane furnace ensures warmth in winter. Combined with insulated plumbing and heated tanks, this motorhome is truly built for 4-season travel. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Smoke, propane, and carbon monoxide detectors come standard, and an emergency start switch lets you jump the engine from the house batteries if needed. Finally, up in the driver's cab, you'll find the Mercedes-Benz infotainment system, which handles navigation, backup camera views, and media. The captain's chairs are upholstered in ultra-leather, heated, and fully adjustable for long-distance comfort. And once you're parked, they swivel around to join the living space. So, is the Coach House Ariva V24 the ultimate motorhome for seniors? With its thoughtful design, quiet construction, reliable Mercedes platform, and rare features like a king bed option and full dry bath, it certainly makes a strong case. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but for those who value comfort, ease of use, and long-term durability, it may very well be the perfect fit.